Hello and welcome back to FisioSuite. In this session we will have a look on how to create a new user. The first thing, you click on the user manager and the user manager application opens. You can enlarge it, then you click on add user, and then for example we call this user therapist 2 with its own password. Then we can also edit the email, the name and the surname. We can select on which language he can use the application. We can decide whether it's enabled or disabled, and which group does he belong. For now we'll leave it under administration. We save it. In the user, therapist 2 is created. And now we can choose with a simple click which application he can use. Here at the top you have all the applications that are available for this tenant, and therefore, for example, for this therapist we decided he can use the sheets, the patient application and the calendar only. As you can see, therapist 1 can also use the statistics and the settings and the log. Physio administration can use all the application that he has. Now you have watched how simple it is to create a new user.